Somebody went a little too hard today. It is what it is. What can you do about that? Bud Green, y'all up early in the morning trying to grind these shirts out, trying to figure out how to get some shit on YouTube. I fucked around and stumbled across motherfucking 40 practice makes paper. That motherfucker got me motivated this morning. I got 25 shirts to cut. I know I shouldn't be cutting that many, but you know what? It was a quick hit. It's a 2-line job. I ain't got to pull very much. Let's make that happen. I'm outside cutting the grass, trying to do my damn thing. I got my headphones on. Oh, hey, I'll shut you down. Check me out. Check me out on Facebook. Check me out on YouTube. Y'all motherfuckers don't know this about Bud Green, but back in the day, Van Halen used to be my shit. Here you go. Jim Harbaugh must go. Ooh, Lord have mercy, these roads are slick as a motherfucking cat shit on glass out here. This has been an Outlaw production.